The United States Geologic Survey Volcano Hazards Program has issued a civil volcano warning. There is an active volcano on the verge of erupting. If you have received this message on your television, get together your essential belongings, family, pets, and anything else important to you. A volcanic eruption is the expulsion of gas, rocks, and lava from a vent on the Earth's surface. These vents are able to do things such as expel and hurl rocks by 20 miles, and blow toxic ash that spreads by hundreds of miles. Volcanic ash is quickly spreading and suffocating. It is heavy, can cave in roofs, and kill what breathes it in. If you are forced to be in an area with volcanic ashes, wear the proper equipment. Lava is slow-moving and heavy, however very dangerous. Lava is made when molten magma from under the Earth's surface is expelled by force through a volcano's vent. Listen for more emergency alerts to come after this message. Stay inside. Cover your vents with anything that can act as a filter. Seal your doors and windows. If there is an emergency broadcast for evacuation, take care to listen closely. Prepare a bag of essentials. Avoid downwind areas. If you must drive, keep your car window sealed, and do not use your vehicle's air conditioning system. If you must evacuate, there is a likely chance your town is going to be overrun by volcanic ash and/or lava. You can expect to find at least knee-high piles of ash, caved-in homes, destroyed crops, and ash in every place you can imagine. The Federal Emergency Management Agency, or FEMA for short, will offer aid to those who have lost their homes, vehicles, and personal belongings otherwise. Stay safe. Stay indoors. Stay protected. May God help you all.